doing, Lois? I'm watching Ash's house. There's a car outside the house. And? Well, Ash and his family aren't at home. They're visiting friends today. So, who is it? He's upstairs. That's weird. Maybe it's a burglar. A burglar? I know. Let's send Bo over there. Bo, what are you doing?
Look, I'm a mechanic.
No, you aren't. Never mind that. Bo, there's someone in Ash's house. Please go and watch him. What's he doing?
I'm going in.
He's going in.
He's wearing jeans and a yellow jacket. He's opening the fridge. He's drinking some milk, but he isn't eating any food. Now he's closing the fridge. He's picking up the car keys.
Lottie, we must call the police. Call 999 now. Okay.
Whoops. Help!
Oh no, Bo's in trouble. He needs help. Let's go.
What's going on?
I'm catching a burglar.
No, you aren't. That isn't a burglar. That's Alicia. Alicia? Who's Alicia?